me show you how I took this and turned it into this for the perfect wedding present. So my baby niece is getting married. I've basically watched her grow up over the last 24 years, and she has grown to be an incredible young lady, and I'm so proud of her. So let me tell you a little bit about their history. So she met a man named Trevor at college, and they started dating. And for some reason, things didn't work out, so they broke up. Well, flash forward just a few months, Hurricane Ian hits Fort Myers. And my sister and her family, they're all staying at my house. Kenzie's still at college. And my sister asked me, hey, do you mind if Kenzie's ex-boyfriend comes down and stays with us? He wants to help with the hurricane. I'm like, what? Ex-boyfriend? Sure. Kenzie gets here and everybody is watching, but not watching, if you know what I mean. Trevor was supposed to leave, let's say Friday. And he's like, well, no, I think I'm going to stay till Sunday. And then Sunday became Monday. And then Monday became Wednesday. So we definitely knew something was happening. 2 weeks ago, I found these amazing glasses. And I just knew what I had to do with these. I thought they would make the perfect wedding present for Trevor and Kenzie. I knew that a maker studio had this amazing product called etch glass, and you simply just put it through a stencil, and it looks like it's been there forever, like it's true etched glass. It's gorgeous. So that's what I decided I was going to make for Kenzie and Trevor, a set of 6, and that way they could have fancy glasses for cocktails or having the friends over, or even for ice cream, or just simply for display. The best part is after I unpacked it, I noticed that the glasses were crystal, which is even, of course, better than glass. So it just made it even more special. So I went ahead and I did the etched glass. It is super, super easy. You just simply take your stencil. I used this one. It's just an H off the Maker Studio. They do have different size stencils with letters, but some were too small, some were too big. But this one, I just cut off another one and I just put it on, and it worked fabulously. I outlined it with painter's tape because I knew that I could be a little heavy-handed with this pouncer. But you don't have to use this pouncer. You can also just use a paintbrush. It works just as well. You simply just pat it on and remove the stencil, and then after 5 minutes, you wipe it away, and it is etched, and it will be on there forever. So Trevor and Kenzie's wedding was simply amazing. It was gorgeous. We danced and had fun, and we celebrated, and then we sent them off to their honeymoon. I can't wait for them to get back from their honeymoon and open all their presents, but especially these glasses. I hope they love them. Thanks for watching the video. If you are interested in the etch cream, you can follow the link below, and it will take you to a maker studio where you can order the etched glass. If you liked today's video, please subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. All right, thanks for watching.